Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you currently live in Illinois and love bird watching or all about birds and currently looking for a bird book or bird guide which will help you with bird identification? If you're a native of Illinois and love birds, then the Birds Illinois Field Guide will be the perfect product for you. This is a field guide prepared by Stan Tequila so that you can enhance your knowledge about the birds which are mostly found in the state of Illinois. This item offers full-page color photos which are comparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. With an easy-to-use format, you don't need to know a bird's certain name or classification in order to easily identify it in this bird book. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, library, or for collection. Now you can learn about and identify birds by using Stan's state-by-state field guides, which are a real pleasure to read and is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds in the state of Illinois. You can have the Birds Illinois Field Guide today at a very affordable price. You and your kid will appreciate and love every page of this field guide. Until next time, this is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds.